What's going on, guys? Here I have the Simple Human Clean Station. Now this is a expensive phone cleaner, and basically you just drop your phone into this device and within 30 seconds it uses a UV light to kill 99.9% of germs. Now that's important because your phone is actually one of the dirtiest objects on you, and oftentimes it can be dirtier than a toilet seat. So let's go ahead, unbox this and set it up and check it out. So opening the packaging, we have a manual as well as the device itself here. And then inside the box, we have the charging or power adapter. Now right away, we could tell this is a really sleek and modern design. It looks just like Simple Human's trash cans. It does seem to repel fingerprints pretty nicely. It has a DC barrel power connector. Now I have an old iPhone here, but it does fit phones up to the iPhone Plus. So simply you drop it on top and it sucks in the device. It's now cleaning it, and you can tell by the glowing light, and once it's ready, it will come back up. So the idea behind 30 seconds is you come home, you drop your phone in this device, and then you go and wash your hands, and by the time you're ready, your hands are dry, you just come and grab your phone. So again, we simply take our device, we just drop it on top. There's something right here to stop it, and that's when it knows to take the device. So we take it, I can literally just drop it, and then it goes down and it uses that UV light to clean the phone. Alright guys, so right off the bat, this is extremely sleek, modern. It's really high quality, the fit and finish. I'm actually very impressed at this product. So at $200, it's kind of pricey, but I can see why they think it's worth that. And again, this thing looks insane on your countertop. It looks really good. It's so simple and easy to use. You simply just take your phone, drop it on top, and it just takes it right in. So if you guys are like me and you are a little bit paranoid about germs and stuff like that, go ahead and check this out. I will leave a link down below to where I picked this up. If you guys do have any questions, leave them down below as well. I will try to get those answered. Let me know what you guys think about this Simple Human device. Would you pay $200 for this to clean your phone? There are other devices on the market for roughly $50, but this is really sleek, guys. So go ahead, leave your comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Leave me a big thumbs up if you found it helpful, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.